Welcome to this quick tutorial in which you'll find out how you can generate hooks by using Headlime. Headlime is an AI that will help you increase your attention on your videos by providing trendy hooks for your video. To find these hooks, first of all, go onto your Google browser or any browser that you're using and search for headlime.com. You'll be redirected to the official page of Headlime website. Here you'll need to create an account first. You can click on the try for free option and you'll be redirected to sign up for Headlime. You can sign up by using your email or you can even sign up with Google. Once you're signed in, this is the page that you'll see. This is the main dashboard of your Headlime account. What you'll need to do is first of all click on start copywriting and you'll be redirected to the library. Here you'll see a lot of the options. You can create a lot of different things by using Headlime like blog posts, landing pages for your websites, scripts, inspiration, documents, or even marketing copy. What you'll need to do is select marketing copy. Now here, you can create a new project by giving it a name, or you can use a project if you already have one. Once you're on your project, this is the page you'll see. What you'll need to do is click on main menu from the left bar options. It will take you to the main menu. Now here you'll see a lot of the options. You'll need to click on template from the left bar menu. Now you'll see all the templates that you have. What you'll need to do is click on headline from the top. Here you'll see all of the hooks that you can use into your videos. You can use any of these trendy hooks in order to get more attention on your videos. And that is how you can generate hooks by using Headline. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you find this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.